Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to change your chat settings on Gmail. If you use Gmail's chat feature and want to customize its settings, I'll guide you through each step in this tutorial. Let's begin. Start by opening Gmail on your computer. Once Gmail is open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You will see a gear icon. Click on it to open the settings menu. In the menu that appears, select See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings page. At the top of this page, you'll see several tabs. Look for the tab that says Chat and Meet and click on it. Here, you will find all the options to customize your chat experience. First, you'll see the option to enable or disable chat. If you want to turn chat on, make sure the Google Chat option is selected. If you prefer to turn it off, you can select Off. Next, you'll find the Chat Notifications setting. You can choose whether to receive notifications for new messages. If you want notifications, you can allow them. There's also an option to enable chat bubbles for new messages. These bubbles will appear either in the bottom corner of your Gmail window or can be expanded to full screen depending on your preference. You can also change notification sounds. If you want to hear a sound for incoming messages, you can choose a specific sound or select None if you don't want any sound. Another feature you can configure is email notifications for unread messages. This means Gmail will send you an email if you have unread chats waiting. If you need to focus and don't want to be disturbed by chat notifications, you can enable the Do Not Disturb option. This allows you to set specific days and times when you won't receive any chat notifications. There's also an option to manage blocked users. If you've blocked someone from chatting with you, their names will appear in this section. You can remove them from the list if you decide to unblock them, which will allow them to send you messages again. For an improved typing experience, you can enable Smart Compose. This feature suggests the next word or sentence as you type. There's also Smart Reply, which offers quick response suggestions for incoming messages. If you want to use autocorrect for spelling and grammar, you can enable or disable this option based on your preference. Once you've made all your desired changes, make sure to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page to apply them. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.